Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to check WSL version, means Windows Subsystem for Linux version on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to go to your start or search menu and type over here PowerShell, and after that right click on Windows PowerShell, click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes. Now here on this window, you just need to type the command is called WSL, then space minus L minus V. Okay. So after that, press enter from your keyboard, and so here you will get the version of your WSL. So in my case, it is WSL version 2, as you can see. And also you can check the name of the operating system which is running on your WSL. It is stopped or running. It will show you over here, okay, on the state. So I hope this tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.